If you're watching this video, I already know something about you. You're not confused anymore. You're not in denial. You're not still trying to fix him. You're standing at the edge of a decision, and you can feel it in your body. This is the moment between I know I need to leave and I'm actually doing it. That space right there, that's where most women get stuck for months, sometimes years. And today we're closing that gap. Most women don't stay because they love him. They stay because they're afraid of what happens after they leave. They're afraid of the chaos, the drama, losing control, retaliation, messing up their kids, court battles, emotional breakdowns, and starting something they can't finish. So they wait. They say, well, maybe next year or after the holidays. I'll divorce him when the kids graduate high school. I have to wait till I feel more ready. But here's the truth. You don't get ready by waiting. You get ready by preparing. Action creates clarity. Clarity creates courage. And having a plan calms the fear. And I know that for a fact. A woman bought my divorce readiness guide recently, and she told me something that stopped me in my tracks. She said, I was planning on filing for divorce next year. I was going to leave next year. I knew I was done, but I was scared. Then she read the guide, and then she said, after reading this, I'm not afraid anymore. I've already started the divorce process. I've waited on him long enough. I'm tired of waiting. I want my good life to start now. And that's what happens when a woman has a plan. Fears disappear. Momentum begins. Not because she suddenly got braver, but because she finally felt supported. The Divorce Readiness Guide is not about pushing you. It's about stabilizing you. It gives you emotional grounding, practical next steps, spiritual clarity, safety, and a path forward that doesn't blow up your life. It shows you how to leave with peace and power instead of fear and chaos. So you don't spiral, you don't get pulled back in, so you don't sabotage yourself when the emotions hit. And did you watch my last video? They will hit. You don't need more time. You need a way through. And I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, maybe I'll wait a little longer. And you can. But listen, every month you wait, you are paying for it. You are paying with your peace, your health, your money, your focus, your joy, your energy, and your future. And nothing changes in waiting. He doesn't suddenly become someone new. I mean, if he could, he would have done that already, right? So he's not going to become someone new. You just stay in the same bullshit even longer. You don't need to rush, but you also don't need to stall. There is a middle path. Calm, strategic, prepared. And that's what this guide gives you. When you get the Divorce Readiness Guide, you're not on your own. If you're on Threads, you can follow me there and send me DMs or, go in the inbox, looks like a little envelope. And if you like sending voice notes, because sometimes you just have so much to say, it's too much to type out, especially when you're on your phone, you can follow me on Instagram and send me voice notes there. And even if you don't see a recent post, even if I'm not posting, I'm still there. I'm reading, I'm listening, I'm here. You can also message me after you've gotten the guide and tell me what worked, what clicked, what helped, what was your turning point, and even what was missing. Like, what did you wish was there? This is a living, breathing support system, not just a cold PDF. And if you want deeper sisterhood and support as you move through this, there's a waitlist for my private community below. That's where women go when they're ready to build their new lives together. No pressure, just an option. All right, so let me say this clearly, in case I hadn't said it before. You're not weak for wanting peace. You're not selfish for wanting freedom. You're not being dramatic just because you're done. You are ready. And not because everything is perfect, but because you finally told the truth and you're ready to do something about it. And when you're ready, the next step is simple. Get the Divorce Readiness Guide. Let it hold you steady. Let it give you clarity. Let it walk you through this. Your new life doesn't start someday. It starts when you stop waiting. And if you're watching this video as part of the series, the How to Get Out of a Toxic Marriage series, go back and rewatch any video that struck a chord with you. YouTube will also show you the video it thinks you need. And honestly, it's usually right. Whatever you watch, just know this. I'm here with you as you move through this. And there is so much good waiting for you on the other side. You don't have to stay loyal to suffering. Take care.